In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset TrillerTV password. So if you have forgotten the password of TrillerTV, you do not have to worry, you'll be able to reset it. In order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in TrillerTV.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TrillerTV. Right over here, you'll be able to find the account icon, click on it. Now you'll be able to log in to your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface. If you want to reset your password, over here you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter your email over here. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is simply provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address associated with your TrillerTV account. After you do that, check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the reset option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here password reset link will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. TrillerTV has sent me the email, click on it. Now that particular email will be opened. In this email you'll be able to find the reset link, click on it. Now you'll be redirected to the new interface. You can see over here you'll be able to reset your password. What you have to do is simply enter your new password over here. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 number and 1 special character. So simply create the password accordingly. After you do that, confirm the password. Re-enter the password. Make sure to enter the same password. Now after you do that, click on this option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your password has been reset. Click on this option continue to home page. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected back to the home page. Now you'll be able to log into your account using the new password. Simply click on the account icon. Now click on the option login. Now what you have to do is simply provide your email and new password over here. Click on the field of email and enter the email. Also enter the new password. After you do that, check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your account using the new password. So like this, you'll be able to reset the password. So that is how you reset TrillerTV password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.